Hello, my name is Wajahat Saeed Khan and I will be discussing our product Note-A-Loan using the NABC approach, which would analyze the need, approach and benefit of the competition of the application Note-A-Loan. Need. The pandemic has created a situation which is entirely unique to all of us and has altered the way we live our lives. Lost are the days where we would wake up every day to leave our houses and have constant social interaction with the people around us. Note-A-Loan is an application that fills the void of the benefits of in-person interaction, and we all need to stay updated, and we are all very busy. Working and studying from home can become very stressful if we don't stay organized, and that's why we conjured up Note-A-Loan. Approach. We understood what we needed, the ultimate organizer that can be seamlessly integrated with a multitude of applications without using too much of that valuable internet data package. The Note-A-Loan application intends to integrate educational software such as Blackboard and integrating messaging applications that people commonly use to communicate with their peers, such as Facebook Messenger and Microsoft Teams. The integration of these applications is meant to improve the efficiency with which people can work. Many of these tasks require multiple devices, and switching of applications combining these would not allow an individual to break their workflow. Benefit. The application is currently being developed with the students as our primary consumer base. This has been done because of the sheer number of students receiving an online education. The application will benefit students because it helps them to stay focused. Without having to switch applications to read simple tasks or announcements, students would not ever have to break their workflow. Not only that, but they would never miss an assignment because of the application would do the organization for them. Competition. To be frank, there is no direct competition to our product. No one has made the effort to get all those MOUs from these tech giants. Indirect competition to the application would include scheduling applications offered by Microsoft and Google, as well as various other scheduling and organizational applications available on the Play Store and Apple App Store. What all of these lack is smart scheduling, integrated software, and low data usage, which is what we strive to overcome with Note-A-Loan. Thank you.